Good. Ahoy, castaways. My name's KERRICK. I am KERRICK of the world. I'm here today in Sydney, Australia, in a neighborhood that's away from the touristy area. It's called Balmain area of Sydney, Australia. I just popped into this cafe. It's called The Hungry Squirrel, and oh, this is so amazing. Highly recommended. What I want to do is find this street up here. It's called Darling Street. It looks like a main sort of shopping street, and she said it's up this way. It's a pitch. Okay, I will admit, as an American, I have no idea what that is. This must be it. Darling Street? Well, so far, my first impressions is that this is a very cool, quiet little neighborhood. A lot of cool architecture, shops, restaurants. It's nice, very nice. Okay, Carramore. This is the first bakery in Balmain. This is it, right there. 1841. First bakery. Okay, what I've done is walked all the way down Darling Street to the waterside. There's a ferry that goes somewhere, and here is a view of the city. Beautiful view here, waterside. This is what I did. I walked all the way down here. You are there. You are here. I am here. Now let's walk back up this way. cool historic buildings. That one from 1854. Back up Darling Street into the more the area with shops, restaurants, like a commercial area.
Morning.
Morning.
Would you like menu or happy a takeaway?
Takeaway.
Yeah, we just take those.
Yes. Thank you. No, can I have large vanilla latte for takeaway?
Vanilla latte, yeah.
My great grandmother.
Anything else, sir?
No. KERRICK.
Kerrick?
KERRICK. 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 There. Okay, this is a very cool coffee shop. Oh yes. There it is. This is the coolest coffee shop in the neighborhood, right there. Cool. No, I'm just waiting.
Yeah, I know.
It's the coolest thing.
Are you?
I am vlogging. Can I vlog? Yeah. Your own beans? You roast your own coffee here?
Yeah.
You roast your own?
Do you live here?
No, I work in the cruise ship.
Oh, cruise ship.
Yeah.
Where from?
USA.
Oh, Spain.
Yeah. Have you cruised?
Sorry?
Have you ever cruised?
Yeah, I took like a short trip from here to Brisbane. And I haven't done the very long cruise ship, but this is
Yeah. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. The Hungry Bull and Coffee Roasters. Definitely the coolest place that I've seen here in this neighborhood for coffee. Let's give it a taste. Yes. Recommended. This roundabout is named Tom's Tree in honor of Tom Uren, a well-known local activist. So that must be it. Tom's Tree, right there. Right there. This must be it. This is Tom's Tree. Balmain Public School, established 1861. Right here. So there it is. A quick stroll through the Balmain neighborhood here in Sydney, Australia. Up Darling Street, down to the waterside, back up, and now I'm going to get back on that ship right there, the Carnival Adventure, and we are going to Morton Island, just off Brisbane. Let's go. See you next time.